Welcome back, scale modelers, to SMKR. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, like it, and share. Up next is MMP Books Finnish Bomber Colors from 1939 to 1945 by Kari, Stenman, and Karolina Hołda. I would like to welcome MMP Books to my channel as one of the newest sponsors to SMKR. MMP was founded in 1996 by Roger Walsgrove to publish Mushroom Model magazine. It was a quarterly magazine and was developed from Mushroom Monthly, a club newsletter which ran from 1985 to 1995. The magazine's motto was, "Not taking serious modeling too seriously." From 1997, the magazine was produced in collaboration with Robert Pliskowski and Artur Juskuzak Stratus, which meant a big leap in print quality and design. MMP expanded into book publication in 1999, and since then they have built up a list of books on aircraft and aviation history. MMP is run by enthusiasts for enthusiasts. All their products are used to improve and expand our range of scale modeling publications. So once again, welcome MMP Books to SMKR. We'll get a close look inside and give you a highlight of the pages that are contained within this book. Finnish Bomber Colors is the latest book in the Rainbow series, the White series. Camouflage and markings on the bombers obtained from USA, Netherlands, Germany, UK, and the USSR are described in unparalleled detail by Arthur Kari Stenman. The book features many previously unpublished photographs and exclusive color profiles created for this book by Karolina Hołda, and they are fantastic profiles. The book has 240 pages with numerous color photographs throughout. Some of the aircraft illustrated in it are the Illusion DB-3M, DB-3F, the Westland Lysander, the Tupolev SB, the Bristol Blenheim, the Dornier DO-17Z, the Junkers JU-88A, or the Junkers, the Petlikov PE-2, Fokker CX, and the Douglas DC-2. This book is an essential reading for aviation enthusiasts and scale aircraft modelers. I will put a link down below for this book and the website where you can purchase it from, MMP Books. Many of the illustrations here are fantastic. The profiles are superbly done. The markings for the Finnish aircraft are unique, and you very rarely see these produced in scale models, at least in the US, but they make very interesting subjects nonetheless. And of course, all the many photographs which are highlighted within this book. This book comes highly recommended. Get it while you can. visit mmp.biz to purchase this book today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Until the next review, happy modeling, modeling for everyone.